goes. Here it goes. And there it goes. Open this bourbon. It smells really good. Just in a quick observation, I noticed that the Madagascar vanilla beans were drier than my Tahitian beans. I'm not sure if it was the supplier or not, but that was my quick comparison. I have nothing else to go by since this is the first time I'm making my own vanilla extract. Though this is not an immediate gratification process, I will be sharing with you guys from week to week how my extract is coming along. And I think it'll be worth it, you guys. You guys go ahead and try it and let me know.